This is Aravind. I'm a friend of colleague of Praveen. So I'm new into this like share market, mutual fund, whatever. I'm just new into this. What I did in this share market side, like as per Praveen guidance, I just start investing on IPOs.
Right.
Like we can see that mainstream IPOs, what are they in this? So I just started investing on this. I just buy I got 2-3 IPO lots only. So that's what in my experience in the share market.
Okay.
Apart from that, I don't have much idea in the share market.
I will
From
I will do that, sir.
my side. How about you? What's your name? Can I know that?
Yes, sir. So my name is Shivdan Chaudhary and I am a finance intern.
Sorry?
Sir, Shivdan.
Yeah. Sorry, I didn't get
Sir,
your name.
Sir, Shivdan. Shivdan.
Shivdan. Okay,
Yes,
can
sir.
I call Shiv?
Yes, sir. Perfect.
Okay. Okay, Shiv. Continue.
Yeah, sir, I am a finance intern as Yoshops. And right now I'm pursuing MBA from Symbiosis Institute, Pune. And I'm also I'm also dealing with the Upstox from last 2 years. Sir.
Sorry, Upstox?
Hello, I'm audible, sir? Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I am with Upstox from last 2 years.
Okay.
Sir.
Oh, great.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So today I will let you know like why the investment is necessary. Like हमें क्यों investment करना चाहिए and पैसे की क्या कीमत होती है. Okay. So I will start today's presentation. Like why investment is necessary. जिंदगी में like why we have to invest. So I will not start with like giving you a definition of investment and all. First, I will let you know that how things are changing with the time. So like what are the topics to discuss, like value of money and what are the different investment in which we can invest, and then I will let you know about the Demat account and what is IPO, what are the different portfolio and all. Then there's a conclusion. So basically from 4 years back, a 1 liter of milk we can get in 25 rupees, right? आज से 4 साल पहले हमें 1 लीटर दूध 25 रुपए में मिलता था. But today the value of that 1 liter milk is 50 rupees per liter. Why? क्या हुआ कि जो like in 4 years back we are getting 4 liter in 100 rupees. Today we are only getting 2 liters. Why? That is due to inflation. That is due to inflation. When there is an increase in the price and the purchase, there is a fall in the purchasing power. The value of money is falling. That 100 rupees is 100 only. That's 100 is not becoming 50. That 100 is 100, but the purchasing power is decreasing. So in that case, what we have to do? So there are two scenarios. There is a person A and person B. Person both as having 100 rupees. दोनों के पास 100 रुपए. So the person A kept that 100 rupees in his pocket in 2019, and person B invested that 100 rupees in a bank. Person A ने 100 रुपए जेब में रखे अपने पास, and person B ने वो 100 रुपए बैंक में जमा किए at 6% interest. In 2020 उसकी जेब में जो 100 रुपए है वो आज 100 ही रुपए, right? The value of that money is only 100, but the person who invested in bank, that value become 106. So what does that mean? That means if you will invest somewhere, the value of money will grow. From 100 it become 106. So like you will thought, okay, I can invest in FD or bank. That is a good. Like you have to give a review again. Like you have to think twice. Is it okay? Because the inflation rate is approach 5% every year. We can say a 5%. So that 100 rupees is becoming, you are purchasing something in 100 rupees today in 2019. In 2020 में आप उस 100 rupees से उतना नहीं ला सकते जो आपको 2020 में आपको 105 रुपए चाहिए आपको 2019 के 100 rupees की चीज परचेज करने के लिए. What does that means? It means the value of that money that is increasing and your purchasing power is decreasing. So the inflation rate is 5%, you can see here, and the interest rate is 6%. It means the real return is only 1%. When you are investing in bank in fixed deposit, the real return is approx 1%. So I don't think this is a good move to invest in bank and all, because you will not get what you want to. आपको पैसा बनाना है, you want to earn more money, but बैंक से आपको 100 से 108 रुपए मिल रहा है. 8 रुपया in a year is not an investment, right? So like what we can do, before that I will say what is investment. Means it means you like somewhere you are putting your money, आप कहीं पैसा लगा रहे हो, and that is giving you a generating income or appreciation. उसमें बढ़ोतरी हो रही है. जैसे आपने बैंक में like when you put 100 rupees in a bank and you got 106, it means that it's investment. I will not deny, but is that it's a good investment? No one knows. So in here I have used the term appreciation. What does that means? Appreciation का मतलब होता है किसी भी चीज की कीमत टाइम से बढ़ना. Something, the price of your asset is increasing over a time, right? So in that scenario, what you have to do? So you have to invest. So आप कहाँ पे invest कर सकते हो? I have given you option of fixed deposit, right? You can invest in bank, but that is not a good investment. Then in equity shares you can invest. Gold, I think around in 2017, like in my family we have purchased some 10 gram of gold at rupees 28,000, and in 2021 right now the value of gold is around 47,000, right? So I think gold is a good thing where you can invest money. Then the third thing is mutual fund. What is mutual fund? Before I will go ahead, I will let you know that what is mutual fund. Like, okay, like we will do in next slide what is mutual fund. But like now you want to invest, अगर आपको इक्विटी शेयर्स, डिजिटल गोल्ड, म्यूचुअल फंड आपको इन्वेस्ट करना है, तो आप सोच रहे होंगे हाउ आई कैन इन्वेस्ट, राइट? फॉर दैट यू मस्ट हैव अ डीमैट अकाउंट. अब आप सोच रहे हो व्हाट इज डीमैट अकाउंट? लाइक आई थिंक यू हैव अपस्टॉक डीमैट अकाउंट, a platform from where you can invest. Like there are other Demat accounts also, but I will let you know that why Upstox is good than other Demat accounts. Here the first thing is you can get 3 things at a one time, at a one page, and there is an easy process of opening that it will not take much time. Then the third thing is the brokerage fees. You don't have to pay every time when you are trading. आपको बार बार वो पैसे नहीं देने. आपसे कोई भी चीज इन्वेस्ट करते हो, when you are purchasing, when you are selling, आपसे बाकी जो अकाउंट्स होते हैं वो आपसे 20 रुपीज चार्ज करते रहते हैं, तो उससे आपकी अर्निंग और कम हो जाती है. अगर आपने 100 रुपीज चार्ज किया तो आपकी ब्रोकरेज फीस ही लग जाएगी. देन आपका बेनिफिट क्या है? वो आपको यहाँ पे अपस्टॉक में नहीं लगेगा. आप इक्विटी में डिलीवरी कर रहे हो, वहां पे ब्रोकरेज एकदम फ्री होती है. थर्ड थिंग है कि आपको यहाँ पे आप स्टॉक में, म्यूचुअल फंड में, आईपीओ, डिजिटल गोल्ड और बहुत चीजें जहाँ एक ही साथ इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो, राइट? सो देन ओके, आई टोल्ड यू दैट व्हाट इज इन्वेस्टमेंट. नाउ यू आर लाइक ओके, मैं भी इन्वेस्टर बन सकता हूँ. a person who is investing is an investor, right? But before becoming an investor, there are few things you must know. आपको कुछ चीजें पता होनी चाहिए. आप ऐसे नहीं मार्केट में नहीं आपने पैसा इन्वेस्ट कर दिया, नहीं हो सकता. In the starting I told you that difference between the return and inflation rate. The inflation rate is 5% and the return is you are getting 6%, right? But what is that? Is that 6% is sufficient? No, the real return is only across 1%. If bank is saying we are giving you 6% of return, then what about the inflation? They are not taking that into consideration. वो inflation को तो लेते ही नहीं है. पैसे की वैल्यू बढ़ जा रही है तो बैंक वो चीज नहीं देते. वो तो बोल रहे हैं like we are giving you 6%, but what about that 5% inflation? In the end they are giving you 0.9% of interest, 0.9% of return. That is not sufficient. Then second thing is there are two terms, investing and speculation. What is speculation? आपने आज मार्केट लाइक आपने देखा कि आपका एक दोस्त है वो कहीं पे इन्वेस्ट कर रहा है, like your friend is investing somewhere, okay, then you're like, okay यार मैं भी 10,000 रुपए लगा देता हूँ, I will put my 10,000 also. Then from that you gain 5,000, okay, in a overnight or in a week. Then you are like, oh मैं भी investor बन गया, now I can invest more by my own, मैं खुद से invest कर दूंगा, मेरे दोस्त की जरूरत नहीं है. वो that is investment. Are you invested? No, you are a speculator. आपने स्पेकुलेशन की है, आपने देखा है ट्रेंड चल रहा है, लोग पैसा लगा रहे हैं, एंड यू हैव आल्सो पुटेड योर मनी देयर. सो दैट इज नॉट इन्वेस्टमेंट, दैट इज स्पेकुलेशन, दैट इज फॉर अ शॉर्ट टर्म पीरियड. अगर आपको छोटा खेलना है तो आप ज्यादा देर तक नहीं टिकोगे. इफ यू वांट टू प्ले मोर देन यू थिंक लाइक अ इन्वेस्टर, राइट? So as I told you about that Upstox Demat account, so first I will tell you what is digital gold. I told you that कि आप गोल्ड खरीद सकते हो, लाइक यू कैन परचेज गोल्ड, लाइक यू कैन इन्वेस्ट इन गोल्ड, ओके. बट अब आप सोच रहे हो यार मैं गोल्ड अपने पास रखूँ, नहीं. दिस इन Upstox दिस इज वर्चुअल गोल्ड, नॉट फिजिकल. यू हैव टू डील इन वर्चुअली. इफ अगर आप अपना पैसा इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो तो यू आर बाइंग वर्चुअल गोल्ड विद यू, एंड आप उसे अपने पास कभी तक भी रख सकते हो. Then the second thing is IPO. Like before I jump to IPO, I will let you know what is IPO. IPO होता क्या है, पहले वो भी पता होना चाहिए. IPO means initial public offering. If a company wants to raise fund, then initially they will go to primary market, where they will when they want to raise fund the first time that what it is, they will raise fund to primary market. सो इन दिस दे विल लिस्ट देयर शेयर. वो अपने कंपनी के कुछ शेयर मार्केट में लाएंगे एनी पर्टिकुलर प्राइस पे, लाइक कि जैसे इंडिगो, अभी इंडिगो पेंट्स का लाइक 1 month पहले, 1 month बिफोर द इंडिगो पेंट्स केम इन प्राइमरी मार्केट फॉर IPO. दे लिस्टेड देयर शेयर एट रुपीज 1490, 1488 to 1490, ओके. सो नाउ व्हाट यू कैन डू, आप क्या कर सकते हो, आप IPO में इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो. नाउ यू आर थिंकिंग कि यार मेरा यहाँ पे नुकसान हो गया, तो नो. IPO एक ऐसी चीज है, अगर आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट की इतनी नॉलेज नहीं है तो भी आपको गेन हो सकता है, यू कैन अर्न. सो IPO में होता क्या है, लाइक फॉर अ रिटेल इन्वेस्टर देयर इज अ लिमिट, लाइक maximum you can purchase 13 slots, okay, and one slot means minimum of 15,000. So if company is listing is share at rupees 1498, 1490, it means आप मैक्सिमम ए स्लॉट में आपको 10 शेयर आएंगे, राइट? आपके पास 10 शेयर आपने बीड कर दिए, एंड वो जो 15,000 है वो आपके अकाउंट से कटेंगी नहीं. दैट अमाउंट विल बी इन योर बैंक ओनली till the further process will go and you got your IPO. जब तक आपको IPO लगता नहीं है तब तक वो पैसा आपके अकाउंट में ही रहेगा. अब आप सोच रहे हो ठीक है मुझे IPO लग गया, वो 1490 रुपए था, तो अब जैसे इंडिगो पेंट्स का IPO 1490 था और वो IPO 2600 रुपए पे खुला था. आप समझ रहे हो, डबल, मतलब डबल पे ओपन हो रहा है. आपने वो परचेज किया 1490 रुपए पे, एंड आपको जो प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, आपको 1120 रुपए का प्रॉफिट हुआ है 1 शेयर पे. इट मीन्स आपके पास 10 शेयर थे, आपको बैठे बैठे 11,000 का प्रॉफिट हुआ है, आपने कुछ नहीं किया, ना आपका रिस्क जीरो था. इट इज ऑल अबाउट कि आपका IPO लग जाता है. सो आपने रिस्क जीरो, प्रॉफिट 11,000. आई थिंक IPO इज द वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग जहाँ पे आप इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो अगर आपको रिस्क नहीं लेना तो. देन द थर्ड थिंग इज म्यूचुअल फंड. सो आई वाज टॉकिंग दैट म्यूचुअल फंड होते क्या है, लाइक यहाँ पे लाइक देयर आर इन दिस like small peoples, like they will collect the fund from the small investors and they will invest the whole security of whole people. जितने भी लोगों का पैसा है, एक organization will put that in stock, bonds, money market or in government securities. तो इसमें ये हो रहा है कि वो they will collect money from 10 people and they will invest your money, okay. So this is mutual fund. Then up now I have given you insight about the stock, about the equity, okay, but how and when to invest, ये तो है, like it is not possible like today you have opened your stock account, okay, now you can okay, I will purchase Reliance share by Ambani की company, it is a company of Ambani and पक्का it will give me profit. No, ऐसा नहीं होता मार्केट में. तो इन्वेस्ट करना कैसे? So there are two things for investment. The first one is फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस एंड द सेकंड थिंग इज टेक्निकल एनालिसिस. ये दो चीज होती है, इन्हीं के बाद आफ्टर दिस you can invest. So what is fundamental analysis? So in fundamental analysis, like companies by their financial statement, we can found that their economic conditions and the growth prospects of a company, like how they are performing, then what are the different things, and how we can know that ये सब कैसे पता लगा सकते हैं कंपनी की कितनी स्ट्रेंथ है मार्केट में. What is the strength of the company? By ratios, by calculating different ratios. Like जैसे there is a one ratio profitability ratios. So profitability ratio से क्या पता चलता है? By that profitability ratio we can note what company is doing, like how they are generating profit out of their operations. If they are performing something, what profit they are making. And like from the perspectives of investors, from the perspectives of you are an investor, like you will invest in XYZ company. So for you there are like solvency ratios. In that there is debt equity ratio. So in that you can note the company ने 72 rupees खुद के जेब से लगाए हैं and 28 rupees उन्होंने लोन लिया है. It means that it shows the financial condition of the company is good. Like they can put 72 rupees, like they are putting their money in at a risk by their own. It means yes, this company have good faith, good will, like they can do good in a company. Okay. So and the second thing is technical analysis. So in technical analysis हम क्या करते हैं, there are different charts, like we can read कि हाँ आज मार्केट में ये ट्रेंड चल रहा है and ये कंपनी का ये चार्ट है, like this is a chart of the company particular and these are the trend lines. So in this way the market will go. If it is bounce back, this will come here. That there are different quantitative techniques. By that we can forecast. Forecast means हम आगे पता लगा सकते हैं कि कंपनी will, the share of that company will go up or down. So we will help you in this technical analysis, in fundamental analysis. We will give you the proper insights. Yeah, these are the things. So like मैं भी आपको एक live example दूंगा. Right now you know, due to this COVID, the oxygen cylinders are in more demand, right? The demand of oxygen cylinders are surging high and high by day. So in our country, 90% of oxygen is produced in, like, is diverted to steel sector and 10% is used in hospitals. But due to this situation, that from the steel it is diverted to our hospital, in pharma sector, in hospital sector, right? So what is happening? Steel के prices बढ़ेंगे because उनकी demand ज़्यादा है. So अब ये तो है नहीं कि ये सबको पता चल गया, right? So मैं अब आपको दिखाऊंगा, like I did my analysis on this. I will show you, just give me a second.
After 5 minutes is going to be off. Again, you please join in Zoom meetings, friends. Actually, it is a 30 minutes for Zoom meetings. Please again join. Okay. अगर disconnect हो जाता है तो please join कर लो.
So I will show you that how Tata Steel is going up. That in past 5 days, what is happening with Tata Steel? I will show you. Okay. Like you can see in this image, आपको दिख रहा होगा चार्ट में 26 अप्रैल को इसके प्राइस थे 935, राइट? अब मुझे पता था कि मार्केट में ऑक्सीजन की डिमांड बहुत ज्यादा है एंड सप्लाई बहुत लो है. सो मैंने मेरा इन्वेस्टमेंट इसमें किया, टाटा स्टील में. मैंने 930 पे 100 शेयर परचेज किए, राइट? एंड आपको 5 दिन में दिखा देता हूँ, 930 से वो शेयर 140, ऑलमोस्ट 110 रुपीज ऊपर गया है जस्ट इन 4 डेज. तो मुझे ऑन वन शेयर आई हैव अर्न 110 into 100. Are you getting my point? Almost 11,000 I have earned in 4 days only. This is just because I read the market correctly. I look at the demand, that how market is reacting, what are the things, what are the news in the market. This is how we do investment. Like we can't go and just put our money. No. Okay, this is profit. But what else I can get? Okay, मुझे कंपनी से आई एम गेटिंग द प्रॉफिट फ्रॉम अ कंपनी. मैंने स्टॉक परचेज से प्रॉफिट हुआ, मुझे और क्या मिलता है? जैसे लाइक आई कैन से आई हैव अ शेयर ऑफ आरवीएनएल रेलवे I have 100 shares. Okay, they have given a dividend. So now what is dividend? Like dividend is a part of like a profit, a part of profit which company divides to its shareholders, keeping reserve and surplus aside. So company had given me 2.8 rupees per share of profit. 8 शेयर पे मुझे 2.8 रुपीज प्रॉफिट.